Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a key and 3 to 4 chord shapes that feel warm. This prevents melodic overlap with copyrighted hooks. Once done, set tempo between 60 and 90 BPM and lay a basic drum loop to anchor groove. You should use either your own recordings or verified royalty-free samples at 44. 1K HZ, 16-bit, make sure to document sources. Next, record a short piano or guitar progression and save separate stems so you can rearrange without legal risk. You now build texture. Play subtle vinyl crackle or a field recording under the mix at low level to mask transient sameness. Then add tape saturation and a gentle reverb to glue elements. Apply 0.5 to 2 dB boosts for presence, not distortion. Once done, craft a unique melodic motif of 4 to 8 bars and vary it. Avoid any melodies that recall popular hooks. Make sure to bounce stems regularly so you can swap layers if tonal clashes appear. You finish by mixing with clear intent. High-pass non-bass tracks at 30 to 60 Hz, apply gentle compression to drums, and balance levels so the master peaks near -6 dB. Then master with a light limiter and target streaming loudness. Make sure true peaks are safe. Once mastered, export WAV stems and a 320 kbps MP3. Add metadata, original artwork, and a license statement such as Creative Commons. If something goes wrong, check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.